This video is brought to you by Squarespace. So I had these color pencils which are called charcoal color pencils since a very long time now, and I don't know why I haven't used them yet. So in today's video I will be using these charcoal color pencils to color my drawing, and let's see if these pencils are really worth it or not. This is a set of 24 charcoal color pencils from Derwent. These color pencils are made of charcoal, so it will be like using a charcoal or a chalk to color your drawings. So the texture these pencils are going to give is going to be very rough, not very fine, and that's why I'm using a toned tan paper for today's drawing, because it has a rough surface, unlike the alcohol blending papers which are very smooth. So I think charcoal color pencils will work a lot better in toned tan paper. I have never really used them. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, and on top of that I have very limited colors, only 24 colors. Let's see if we can make something good out of these. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And we are done. I somehow managed to make it look good because the pencil, the charcoal, it was smudging all over the place and it was really difficult to control, and that's why I couldn't get a very fine result, but I am still really happy to see how it turned out, because I was not even expecting this. It still looks good according to me. I am happy with the result, and I have to say that I did enjoy using these color pencils, which I did not expect. Because I couldn't draw very finely, I had to go very rough on this drawing, and because the colors were smudging so much, I decided to use them as an advantage. So I made the drawing very rough and decided to end it by smudging on the right side of the character, which added more depth to my drawing. Although for the skin color I had to use Prismacolor pencil, as I didn't have any skin color in my charcoal color pencil set, but I still enjoyed the whole process of making this drawing and making this video. I hope you enjoyed this video too. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. I would love to know your thoughts on this drawing and this video. But before we end today's video, I want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace is an all-in-one online platform to build your own beautiful website. If you're an artist or a designer who wants to start their business online, then you can use Squarespace to build your own website or an online store to sell your products or run your business. It's really easy to start your own website with Squarespace, as they have a very simplified way to start and build your own website. They have so many beautiful templates and designs which will decide the whole look of your website, and each template has been designed by their world-class design teams. You can easily switch between multiple templates on a single website and work at multiple designs at once. You can start your free trial today at squarespace.com by clicking the link in the description box to save 10% discount on your first purchase, or you can use my coupon code AyushPencilArt to get 10% discount on your first purchase. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.